When the application loads, the user is taken to the Upload RAG Documents page, and here is where they can upload either their own individual documents or they can update the data collections. As you can see, when the application loads, any old documents that have already been uploaded or data collections that have been updated will still be listed here. So we can see the date on these is the 21st of August. And the last time that the NICE guidelines knowledge was updated was the September 3rd. As a user, I can upload documents to add to my documents collection. Load either just one document at a time, it will show that it's processing, and then this will be added to the list down here for the user to see with the current date. A user can also drag and drop one or multiple files to be uploaded. So we can multi-select several files that we want to upload and then drag and drop them here. All of them will be listed, and then we can click Upload Document, and those will also process. We can see these updated documents added to the bottom of the list here. If I wanted to remove these files, the user could click on this Delete All User Documents. They will be prompted to make sure this is what they want to do. And then that list of documents will be removed from the UI and also from the ChromaDB vector database. If I wanted to, I could upload all of these again. And click on Upload Documents. And this would take a couple of minutes, but all 12 files would upload and then be added to the ChromaDB. So after they are cleaned up and added, they do go through the split and chunk process, and then they get embedded into vectors and stored in the vector database. We can see that all of these uploaded successfully and that there is a current upload date for all of these files now. As the user, I can also either delete or update these two data collections. This is the Myriad medical data set, and these are the NICE guidelines. For the NICE guidelines in particular, let's say a few months go by and the user wants to pull updated guidelines and make sure they have the most recent information. If they just go ahead and click update, they will get a notification, and then you can see that the NICE knowledge was updated successfully and the last updated date turns to the current date. The user can also delete this collection. They'll be prompted to make sure this is what they want to do. This will delete the collection successfully from the Chroma database, and then the last updated date will be changed to unknown. So they could then again click on update, and there is a notification here that this might take several minutes. This is because this is quite a large API call, so it takes a few minutes to process all of the data that's getting updated. And once that data collection is fully updated and processed, then the date will update to the current date. After a user has uploaded all of the relevant documents that they want to leverage in the RAG pipeline, and if they've updated the data collections if needed, they can navigate to the Generate Summary page. This is where they would upload their medical transcription file and request for that summary to be generated. So again, in this drag and drop component, they can choose their transcription file. The system will show them the first 1,000 characters of this transcription just for validation purposes, and then they can click on this Summarize button to request that transcription to go through the RAG pipeline and be summarized. Once that query has been processed and the summary has been generated, the output will be rendered here in this templated summary component. It does render as a read-only stylized view for the user so that it's a more positive, organized experience with bullet points and everything. And it also does follow the H&P template that we've built into the query under the hood. So it does have all of the relevant sections that are correct. Once the summary is generated, it is also automatically saved to the relational database so that we have a record of that summary, which prepares a good foundation for additional features and iterations in the future. As the user, I can edit this summary if I'd like to change any of the content by clicking on this edit button. It will change from a read-only view to a markdown supported view that the user can, add or edit information. Once they're done making their changes, they can click on Save, and they will be able to see their changes reflected in the read-only view. It will also automatically save this updated summary to the relational database as well.